How to add input field to your Shopify product page. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to do so. So I'm going to be using Horizon theme, but you can apply this to any other theme. Really, it's going to work exactly the same way. So the first thing is going to be separating between products that do actually have this option and the ones that don't. So in order to do so, we are going to create a new product page template. So just go to your online store, go to themes and click on edit theme. Second step here would be to click on the home page at the top and click on products, and then you just click on create template. Now you simply just want to give it a name. It could be customization option. It could be really any name that would let you know that this is going to be the template for customizable products. And click on create template. Once it's done, make sure that it is selected here at the top because we want to only edit this here. And then we simply just want to go to the template section from the left side. Click on the arrow next to product information. And then we simply just want to click on add block beneath the details. Go ahead and locate custom liquid right over here. Click on it. And now just go ahead and go down to the description where you should be able to find a code. You simply just want to copy it and paste it right over here. And now you should have the option to add some custom text over here. Now, one more thing we need to do, or actually two more things here. First, I'm just going to move this down beneath the divider, just so it's going to be looking a little bit better. And also, we want to hide the buy it now button because this does not really work well with custom text. It could be a little bit buggy, so we just want to get rid of it and just leave the add to cart option. So in order to remove the buy it now, we simply just want to click on this arrow next to buy buttons. And we simply just want to hide the accelerated checkout option. And now we're pretty much good to go. The only thing left for us to do is to apply this template to the products that actually have a customizable option. So make sure you save from the top right corner and exit out of here. Go back to your Shopify store and go to products. Now in here, let's say the red product is a product that does actually have customizable options and the purple one doesn't. So you simply just want to select the ones that do actually have this kind of option, and you want to open them up one by one and scroll down a little bit until you find the theme template option and just select customizable products. Just select the appropriate one, click on save, and you are pretty much good to go. So we can actually view this on our store one more time. So if we click on the purple one, it's not going to be there, but if we click on the red one, it is going to be there. And yeah, this is pretty much how to add the input field to your Shopify product page. Hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.